Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tools YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to design logic gates in MATLAB Simulink. So let's start today's video. So at first, we need a constant block. So double click on screen and write constant. Press enter and here is our constant block. Then we need a logical operator block. So double click and write logical operator. Press enter and this is our logical operator block. And to see the generated output, we need a display block. So double click and write display. So here is our display block. Let's increase its size. This is our logical operator and this is our constant block. You can see this is our constant block, this is our logical operator block, and this is our display block. So at first you have to double click on logical operator and you can see there are so many kind of gates like AND gate, OR gate, NAND, NOR, XOR, XNOR and NOT gate. So at first we will start from NOT gate. So select NOT gate and press enter. Just join them. So here you can see the constant value is 1. So at first we will start with NOT gate. So let's see the NOT gate truth table. So it is our NOT gate truth table. If the input is 0, the output will be 1. If the input is 1, the output should be 0. So let's try this. So right now the input is 1. So the output should be 0 in case of NOT gate. So let's run. Here you can see that the input is 1 and the output is 0. In the display you can see the output is 0. If you change the constant value from 1 to 0, let's run now. Here you can see if the constant value is 0, the output is 1. So it satisfies the NOT condition. If the input is 0, the output should be 1, and if the input is 1, the output should be 0. So let's try another gate. Double click on logical operator and we will try AND gate this time. Select AND and press enter. So for AND we need another constant block. So just copy paste the constant block. So here is our another constant block. Just join the wires. So here you can see there are two constant blocks, one logical operator and one display block here. So in case of NAND gate, let's see the truth table. So for AND gate, if the input are 0 and 0, the output should be 0. If the input is 1 and 0, the output should be 0. If the input is 0 and 1, the output should be 0. And if both the inputs are 1, then the output will be 1. So let's try the first one. If both of the inputs are 0 and 0. So right now you can see that both the constant values are 0 and 0. Let's run it. Here you can see if both the inputs are 0, the output should be 0. Let's try another one. If the input is 1 and another is 0, then the output should be 0. So if we change the input from 0 to 1, you can see right now the one input is 1 and one input is 0. Let's run it. Again you can see the one input is 1, one input is 0 and the output is 0. So let's try another case. If both the inputs are 1, then the output will be 1. So if we change this constant 1, you can see that right now both the constants are 1, and now the output should be also 1. Let's run it. Yeah, if both the inputs are 1, the output is also 1. Thus it is verified. So let's try OR gate. Double click on logical operator and select OR. Press enter. So here is our OR gate. So first we will see the OR gate truth table. So for OR gate, if both the inputs are 0, the output will be 0. If both the inputs are 0 and 1, the output will be 1. And if both the inputs are 1, the output will be 1. So let's see the first case. If both the inputs are 0, let's change it from 1 to 0 and constant number 2, 1 to 0. You can see right now both the constant values are 0. So let's run it. You can see if both the constant values are 0, the output is 0. Let's say if one input is 0 and another input is 1, the output should be 1. Let's try this one. Change one input from 0 to 1. You can see right now one input is 0 and one input is 1. So the output should be 1 in this case. Let's run it. Yeah, right now the output is 1. Let's check for if both the input is 1. So right now both the input is 1, and for both the input is 1, the output should be 1 also. So let's run it, and you can see if both the input is 1, the output is 1. So let's see for another gate. So this time we will see NAND gate. So here is our NAND gate, and first we will see the truth table of NAND gate. Here is our NAND gate truth table. If both the input is 0, the output is 1. If one of the input is 0 and other one is 1, the output will be 1. And if both the input is 1, the output will be 0. So let's see if both the input is 0. So change the constant values to 0. So right now both of the constant values is 0, and the output should be 1 in this case. So let's run it. Yeah, you can see if both the input is 0, the output is 1. And if one input is 0 and other one is 1, the output should be 1. So let's make the input 1 and 0. So here the input is 1 and other one is 0. So in this case also the output should be 1. Let's run. Yeah, you can see that the one input is 1 and one input is 0. The output is 1. And for the last case, if both the input is 1, here both the input is 1, so the output should be 0. Let's check it. So you can see both the input is 1 and output is 0. Let's try another gate. And now we will see the NOR gate. So first we will see the truth table of NOR gate. For NOR gate, if both the input is 0, the output is 1. If one of the input is 0 and other one is 1, the output is 0. And if both the input is 1, the output will be 0. So let's check for if both the input is 0. So let's change the inputs from 1 to 0. So if both the input is 0, the output should be 1. Let's run it. Yeah, for both the input is 0, the output is 1. If one of the input is 0 and other one is 1, the output should be 0. Let's change the constant values. the output should be 0 now. Let's run it. Yeah, you can see if one input is 0 and other one is 1, the output is 0. And for both the input 1, the output should be 0 also. Let's change the other constant value to 1. You can see now both the constant values is 1, and for this the output should be 0 only. So let's check it, run. You can see if both the input is 1, the output is 0. Let's try it for another gate. Now for XOR gate. Let's see the XOR gate truth table. For XOR gate, if both the input is 0, output is 0. If one of the input is 1 and other one is 0, the output is 1. If both the input is 1, output is 0. So we will see first case if both the input is 0. Let's change the constant values from 1 to 0. So for the first case, if both the input is 0, the output should be 0. Let's check it, run. Yeah, if both the input is 0, the output is 0. Now we will see if one of the input is 0 and other one is 1. Let's run it. Yeah, it's correct. If one input is 0 and other one is 1, the output will be 1. And if both of the inputs is 1, the output should be 0. Let's change the input values. Right now both inputs have values 1, so for this the output should be 0. Let's check it. Yeah, for both the input 1, the output is 0. Let's check for another gate, and this is our last gate, XNOR gate. Let's see its truth table first. So for XNOR gate, if both input is 0, output is 1. If one of the input is 0 and other one is 1, the output will be 0. And if both the input is 1, the output will also be 1. So let's implement it. So change the input values from 1 to 0. So let's run it. For this case, if both the input is 0, the output should be 1. Let's run it. Yeah, for both the input values 0, the output is 1. And if one of the input values is 0 and other one is 1, the output should be 0. So here you can see one input value is 1 and other one is 0. So in this case, the output should be 0. Let's check it, run. You can see that the output value is 0. And if both the input values are 1, the output value should be 1. So let's run it. Yeah, for both the input values 1, the output is 1. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any kind of doubt and any kind of suggestions, you can write down in the comment section. Thanks for joining us.